Hello friends, here with an origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take 20 by 7 paper of your favorite color, fold it into two halves. Press well. Open. Now you have to fold horizontally. Press. Now fold upward. Turn it back. Now fold from top to bottom. Then from the other side. Perfectly. Open the fold. Press the crease. Now again fold it. Again from the other side, the same steps. Hope you are learning it. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Again top to bottom. Press well to have crease upon your paper. The marks are extremely important in origami as it makes it easier to shape paper. So press well. Open it and form a tiny triangle on one side and then on the other side. Now we have a tiny bow in center. Fold it inwards. Then from the other side. Turn it back. Now on the upper edge. You have to form circular shape to give it a heart resemblance. Okay, rough structure is done. And is completed. Now see how it works.